Hold on to your umbrellas, folks. A storm is brewing across the UK, with thunderstorm warnings issued for large parts of England and Wales. The Met Office alerts us to expect frequent lightning and large hail, creating a stark contrast between those basking in sunshine and others bracing for chaos. From the West Midlands to the southeast, prepare for wild weather with gusty winds and heavy rain, potentially dropping up to 40 millimeters in just 3 hours. Will you be caught in the storm? Stay safe and keep watching for updates as this dramatic weather unfolds. I'm using Rizzle AI to generate these high-quality videos. You can too by clicking the link in my bio.